me poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a Gotti. You can hear the vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Francine Hughley, and I'm back at it with another video. The trash can man is going by. How rude, interrupting my video. And the fan is on, so y'all might probably can hear it. But anyways, in today's video, y'all already can tell I got my steam going already. I'm just gonna be doing an easy like at-home facial routine. Basically just what I do when I feel like my skin needs a little bit more TLC. I haven't done a facial on myself in probably a few weeks, not since I had COVID. So yeah, I'm neglecting my skin. My skin is not so bad right now, but I do feel like I need to clean out my pores. I feel some sebum built up, like little hard tiny bumps I need to get out. Yeah, if you guys are interested, you should just keep on watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So I am going to be steaming my skin while I'm cleansing my skin. Now, you don't really need a actual steamer. I basically got this, well, I really got this steamer is for when I start my mobile esthetician business. This is what I got it for. But I do recommend getting like just like a steamer just specifically for you. They do have those like on Amazon and stuff like that. But this is kind of like a travel steamer that you really don't have to like buy this particular one. And if you don't actually have a steamer, you can actually use, girl, you can use a pot of boiling water. I have this thing right here. This has hot water in it. Use like something like this and just basically like hold your face like over it, and you can steam your face like that as well. Or you can use like a bowl. Like, you really don't have to have like an actual steamer. I'm going to start well, I'm gonna give it a few minutes, and then I'm going to start cleansing my skin. Alright, so the cleanser I am using today is the CeraVe. I don't know if y'all gonna see, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's the CeraVe foaming cleanser. This is the cleanser that I'm using at the moment. Now, I'm a product junkie, so I love trying different type of products. So this is a foaming facial cleanser for normal to oily skin. I'm an extremely oily girl, so I like to use products that basically target oily skin. It's very gentle on the skin. It has B3 in it, which basically supposed to calms your skin. It's non-comedogenic. If you guys don't know what that is, and supposed to not clog your pores. So that's basically what it means, and I really do like this cleanser as of now, but we'll see, girl. I'm always changing up my cleansers. Majority of my skincare right now is drugstore based. I do use a little bit both of high-end medical grade and drugstore, but right now I am basically using mostly all drugstore stuff. So you can get this from Walmart, CVS, Target, stuff like that. I kind of like sometimes do like a mini massage while cleansing the skin. That just basically helps with blood circulation, and it feels really good too. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna take paper towel, use a paper towel instead of like a towel or a hand rag or something like that, because rags and stuff normally hold bacteria, and that can be one of the reasons why you're breaking out. So try to use like paper towels, I mean, if you can. Alright, next, you guys, I'm going to tone. Now, today I'm toning with the Dickinson Original Witch Hazel. This is the gentle balancing balancing toner. This is alcohol free and fragrance free as well. I go back and forth between this and the medical grade toner that I do have by PC Skin. That's like an enzyme toner. It helps with, it dries. If you guys don't know what a toner is, a toner basically brings your pH balance back to a normal level, because a lot of times, sometimes when we're cleansing our skin, we get over cleanse our skin, and it can cause like dryness, and that can cause breakouts as well. So toners basically rehydrates your skin, put moisture back into your skin. Alright, y'all, so the next step is exfoliating. Now, you can use a physical exfoliating physical exfoliant or a chemical exfoliant. The difference is this is basically a physical exfoliant. It has like little grains in it. This is by PCA Skin. I don't know if you can see that. This is called their daily exfoliant. Now my skin is very sensitive, so I can't use this on a daily. I use this probably like 2 to 3 times a week. I use it like when my skin really needs to be exfoliated, or use a chemical exfoliant. Basically, it can be like a chemical peel, or it can be like a toner with like enzymes, or like an enzyme mask. Something with like enzymes in it that help remove the dead skin cells. But like I say, today I'm using the physical one. Alright y'all, so I'm finna tone again. Alright, so what I do next, y'all, is I like to just do some extractions. Like I said, I have like some little hard bumps that I feel like it's dried up sebum, and some whiteheads around my nose and my chin area. So I just like to do that with an extractor tool. Now, if y'all don't have an extractor tool, I'm gonna show y'all a way to get out whiteheads from your nose. This shouldn't be nasty, but I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. Wait, so I had to zoom in a little bit. Okay, so this is what y'all do. You're gonna push your nostrils up in an up motion like this. And it hurt depending on how hard you push, but can y'all see that? And I'm gonna do the other side. You see it? That is a good way to get out whiteheads from your nose if you do not have an extractor. Paper towel and some toner while doing the extractions, you know, for just like bacteria and stuff. This is just to remove any lingering bacteria from the extractions. Alright y'all, so the next step, we are going to mask. I constantly use like, I never use the same mask all the time, but for one mask that I use like a lot, basically I use it when I'm having like a bad breakout. It's the Aztec Indian Healing Clay Mask that I got from Amazon. This mask is real popular. It's always going around YouTube for your hair, skin, whatever. But this is a deep pore cleaning mask. And it says this is very powerful. They're not lying, it really is powerful. If you're having a breakout, this tends to really dry out your breakouts. Really good, so I love to use it for that, but it can be a little drying, so you have to be careful with that. That's why I don't use it all the time. This only if I'm having like a bad breakout. And this mask can cause like purging. If y'all don't know what purging is, basically after you get a facial or use a product, you notice that you have more pimples than before. You probably think like you probably think the product is breaking you out, but a lot of times your skin is just purging and basically bringing up all that gunk from deep inside your pores to the surface. Basically just trying to purge all that stuff out of your skin. So yeah, this can cause purging because it is very powerful, but I'm not going to use this one today because I'm not really having, you know, that much of like breakouts or anything. I do have some lingering hyperpigmentation, and some spots on my skin are a little bit dry. So what I'm going to do is go in with a hydrating mask. And the mask I'm using today is by Neutrogena. It's the Hydra Boost Hydrating Mask. It says that it deeply hydrates your skin, leaves the skin simple and hydrated. It has hyaluronic acid in it. Hyaluronic acid is basically a hydrating, to give the skin hydration. Our skin itself produces hyaluronic acid. But for those who are lacking hydration, for like our dry skin girls, so hyaluronic acid will be your best friend if you are dry. But I know that I'm not dry. I am very oily, but even if you are an oily girl, hydration is very important. Always hydrate. It doesn't matter if you oily or not, always hydrate. Since this is like sliding, I'm just gonna lay down on my bed and leave it on for 10 minutes. Alright y'all, so it's been 10 minutes. Alright, so it said massage the excess, massage the remaining onto your skin. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off and I'll be back. Alright, y'all. My skin does feel softer and more hydrated. Alright, so I'm gonna go in and tone again. Alright guys, so before I go in with my serum and my serums and moisturizer, I like to sometimes go in and exfoliate my lips. And what I'm using today is just a smooth exfoliating lip exfoliator by ACNE. I don't know if you can see that, but you can only get these exclusives from some Massage Envy, I think. So when I used to work there, I got this on a discount. Alright guys, so after I'm done with that, I like to take a warm towel and just wipe it away. I've been using Botanicals All Bright Radiant Concentrating Serum. This specifically for brightening the skin. As you can tell, y'all do have some hyperpigmentation from acne scars and stuff like that. So I like to go in with this. Or sometimes if I'm like in a rush or something, I'll just add the serum into my moisturizer. If I'm like in a rush and y'all want to do, if you don't want to do all them steps. Alright, so what I use for moisturizer right now, I'm using the Cetaphil Daily Moisturizing moisturizer, and it has SPF of 15. It's for all skin types. It's fragrance free, it's lightweight, it's non-comedogenic, which means again that it doesn't clog the pores. So I like to use this. Make sure you guys are using a moisturizer with an SPF in it. And a lot of times I just follow up with a chapstick or lip gloss, the Aquaphor lip gloss, but I can't find it. But I just follow up with either or. Alright y'all, so that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please just leave them down there in the comments down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, if you guys have any recommendations of products or anything for my acne prone skin, I would love to hear your suggestions. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.
Do it again. See me poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a dotty. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry. It's official, I'm a problem. I done made it this far, I'm not sorry.